Hello, my name is Peter Marcos, and I'm here to show you how to divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. This corresponds with the 5th grade Common Core Math Standard NFB 7. Apply and extend previous understandings of division to divide unit fractions by whole numbers and whole numbers by unit fractions. First, let's review. If you forget what whole numbers are, here are a couple of examples. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, a whole number is any number that is not a decimal or a fraction. If you forget what are unit fractions, here are a couple of examples. 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 1/5. As you can see, a unit fraction is any fraction when the numerator is always 1. Here are the steps to divide. The first step is keep, change, flip, or shorthand, KCF. Second step, multiply left to right. Now let's solve some problems. So the first problem is, let's say we have 1/2 divided by 4. Now 4 is a whole number, so we're going to put 1 under that 4. Okay? And our first step is keep, change, flip. Now watch what I do. I'm going to put the K under the 1/2, the C under the division, and the F under 4 over 1. It tells you what you're going to do. So K stands for keep, so I'm going to keep 1 over 2, 1/2. The C means change, so I'm going to change division to multiplication. And F means flip, so I'm going to flip 4 over 1 to 1 over 4. So now we're going to multiply left to right, and the answer is 1/8. For the students who are visual learners, let's draw a model. So let's say I draw this rectangle over here. Now our first fraction is 1/2. So this 2 means we're going to cut this box, this rectangle, in half. This 1 means we're only going to shade in one part. So let's shade in the top. The second fraction, 1/4, this 4 means we're now going to cut it vertically into 4 parts. Okay, and now this 1 means, just like before, we're going to shade in one of the 4 parts. Okay, and now look, where do the shading overlap? And if you look closely, it's this corner box right here. So now how do we write that as a fraction? So first step is the denominator. Count all the squares that you drew. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means our denominator is 8. This number will represent how many boxes we circled. So we only circled one box. So therefore, it's 1. And notice we get the same answer both times. Let's do a second problem. Jamie bought 3 liters of paint so she can paint all of the rooms in her new house. If it will take 1/2 liter of paint for each room, how many rooms can she paint? So it's going to be 3. And remember, just like before, 3 is a whole number, so that we're going to put a 1 under it. We're going to divide it by 1/2. Our first step is keep, change, flip, so we're going to put keep under 3 over 1, C under the division, and F under 1/2. So we're going to keep 3 over 1. We're going to change division and multiplication. And we're going to flip 1 over 2, 1/2 to 2 over 1. We're going to multiply left to right. So we get 6 over 1, which we can simplify to just 6. So the answer, how many rooms can Jamie paint? 6 rooms. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Thank you very much.